Green Beauty Secrets. Nourish your skin the plant-based way. Hello, beauty enthusiasts and eco-conscious friends. Welcome back to Green Goodness, Plant-Based Living. Today, we're diving deep into the world of green beauty secrets, where we'll explore how to nourish your skin the plant-based way. We're excited to share tips for a radiant, eco-friendly skincare routine. Our skin deserves the best, and nature has provided us with a bounty of ingredients that can transform our skincare routine. Let's unlock the secrets to radiant, plant-powered beauty. Segment 1. The power of plant-based skincare. First things first, let's talk about why plant-based skincare is a game-changer for your skin. Nutrient-rich ingredients. Plants are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that work wonders for your skin. Gentle and nourishing. Plant-based skincare is often gentler on the skin, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Cruelty-free. Choosing plant-based means saying no to animal testing. It's a compassionate choice that aligns with our values. Segment 2. DIY plant-powered beauty. Now, let's get hands-on with some DIY plant-powered beauty recipes you can easily whip up at home. Hydrating avocado mask. Mash up ripe avocado for a hydrating mask rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. Soothing aloe vera gel. Aloe vera straight from the plant is a soothing, cooling gel that works wonders for irritated or sun-kissed skin. Coffee ground scrub. Used coffee grounds mixed with a bit of coconut oil create an invigorating, exfoliating scrub. Segment 3. Transitioning your skincare routine. Transitioning to a plant-based skincare routine is a journey, and it starts with mindful choices. Read labels. Look for products with minimal, natural ingredients. Avoid harmful chemicals and preservatives. Cruelty-free brands. Support cruelty-free brands committed to ethical practices and sustainable packaging. Essential oils. Incorporate essential oils like lavender, tea tree, or chamomile for added benefits and a natural fragrance. Segment 4. Sustainable beauty practices. Our journey doesn't end with products. Let's talk about sustainable beauty practices. Reusable makeup pads. Swap disposable cotton pads for reusable ones. They're gentle on your skin and the environment. Eco-friendly packaging. Support brands with eco-friendly packaging, or consider buying products with refill options. Minimalism. Adopt a minimalist approach. Focus on quality over quantity, and let your skin breathe. Closing segment. Unleash your radiance naturally. There you have it, friends. Green beauty isn't just about products. It's a lifestyle that honors our skin and the planet. I hope these tips inspire you to embrace plant-powered beauty. If you enjoyed these green beauty secrets, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your beauty-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more green goodness content. Question for our viewers. What are your favorite plant-based skincare, beauty routines, and products? Comment and let us know. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unleash your radiance naturally. Until next time, may your skincare routine be green, your beauty be radiant, and your heart be kind. Contact us for more information about plant-based beauty products and skincare as well as plant-based lifestyle coaching. Stay tuned for follow-up videos including more plant-powered skincare tips and recipes. Stay green, stay beautiful, and stay tuned for more green goodness, plant-based living.